Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing solutions, the Scrubba wash bag and the mini portable washing machine. Both products are designed to make laundry easier while traveling or camping, but they each have unique features that cater to different needs. In this video, we will explore their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which one is right for you. The Scrubba wash bag operates manually, requiring you to scrub your clothes by hand, which can be effective but requires physical effort. On the other hand, the mini portable washing machine is electric, allowing for a more effortless washing experience with the push of a button. This difference in operation can significantly impact your laundry experience, especially when you're on the go. When it comes to portability, the Scrubba wash bag is incredibly lightweight at just 5.3 ounces, making it easy to carry in your backpack. In contrast, the mini portable washing machine weighs over 3 pounds, which can be cumbersome for travelers. The compact design of the Scrubba allows it to fit into tight spaces, while the mini washer, although foldable, takes up more room. The Scrubba wash bag features a flexible internal washboard that allows for effective manual scrubbing, making it suitable for delicate items. Meanwhile, the mini portable washing machine offers a spin function that not only washes, but also helps dry your clothes faster, providing added convenience for users who want to save time. In conclusion, both the Scrubba wash bag and the mini portable washing machine have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a lightweight, manual option for travel, the Scrubba is an excellent choice. However, if you prefer the convenience of electric washing and a spin function, the mini portable washing machine may be more suitable for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.